The human brain contains around 100 billion neurons, rivaling the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And these neurons are changing. Humans continue to produce neurons throughout our lives, with connections between neurons constantly being created, strengthened, weakened, or removed. Study of the human brain predates modern writings. The oldest known medical text, the Edwin Smith Surgical Papyrus from the 16th or 17th century BCE, transcribes the much older writings of a field surgeon from around 3000 BCE, who recorded first-hand observations of brain injuries and their related complications. Around 400 BCE, Hippocrates proposed the brain was the center of intelligence and was involved in all sensation. In the thousands of years that have passed since then, different sciences have developed around behavioral neurobiology, body imaging, biochemistry, cognitive psychology, and neuroscience. The term brain-based learning first appears in print in the 1990 article, Understanding a Brain-Based Approach to Learning and Teaching, by Renata Numela Kane and Jeffrey Kane. But pioneers of the theory include Eric Jensen, Richard Boyatzis, Daniel Goleman, Kenneth Ree, David Souza, and many other researchers and educators. While brain-based learning encompasses methods developed in many fields, education reformers have often pointed to neuroscience for validation of their ideas. This has at times been criticized, since it can be hard to prove neuroscience research findings within an educational environment. Regardless of the links between neuroscience research and learning theory, studies continue to suggest that courses designed following brain-based principles improve student achievement, attitude, and engagement. Brain-based learning continues to develop and generate design models, but generally, all brain-based learning includes three key principles. 1. Promote relaxed alertness through a safe and engaging learning environment. 2. Provide immersive and rich experiences. And 3. Allow active and passive processing through active participation, reflection, and breaks. These three principles are reflected in brain-based learning techniques, such as these. 1. Trial and error. Learners should be encouraged to experiment, given space to fail, and opportunities for repeated attempts. Experiential learning can encourage trial and error through creative activities, course projects, and role-playing. 2. Interactive curriculum. Students can interact emotionally and socially with course content through repetition and pattern processing. Chunks of information can be delivered over time, allowing for review of previously learned material to lead into new content. This can be encouraged by structuring class time, adding visual or audio media to lesson plans, and giving students opportunities to teach back what they have learned. 3. Teacher and student. Teachers should find ways to be personable, motivating, understanding, and supportive. Teacher interest in the subject and in the students has a major impact on the class environment and emotional states of learners. For example, the teacher should provide an explanation of the course and the material as it relates to the students, their careers, interests, and needs. A productive learning environment can be enriched with research, debate, lecture, and interactive assessments. A teacher may plan research field trips, guest speakers, topic-specific class volunteering, games, and other hands-on activities. With ample evidence of learning generated in these ways, Large portions of grades need not rely on final exams or other events that can be stressful to some students. With a focus on interaction, reflection, engagement, practice, and support, brain-based learning is ideal for a number of course topics, like a training on professional conflict and communication in a corporate setting. In such a course, rote fact recall is not required. Students will need to apply principles to allow for positive interactions in difficult and potentially stressful situations. Brain-based learning theory should enable course design and instruction to reduce stress while maintaining challenge and engagement. Thank you.